Some Australians want to open the country's first bunny cafe. I'm Montalbano for Buzz60, and I don't know when or why turning coffee shops into petting zoos became a thing, but I'll admit, this one's pretty cute. There's an Indiegogo campaign to fund the cafe where, quote, bunnies and people can sit together over coffee. But don't give the bunnies coffee or they'll be bouncing off the walls. The coffee is for the humans to drink as they watch animals eat veggie salads. Is this really a form of entertainment for people? It actually is. The first bunny cafe was opened in Japan, the land of oddly themed coffee shops. The trend is spreading across the globe with a pop-up cat cafe in New York, Owl Cafe in London, and now Melbourne's Bunny Cafe. But only if it gets funded, of course. And for the animal rights conscious people out there, the bunnies are all fostered from Rabbit Runaway Orphanage, and they'll all be up for adoption. Just be careful who you send on a coffee run. They could come back with 4 lattes and 8 rabbits. Buzz60. Now you know. Pass it on.